How to create stickers on iPhone iOS 17. Let's get started. Open your iMessage. Now open any of the conversation. Now at the bottom left corner you can find this plus icon. Tap on it. With that, different options will pop up. Tap on the option stickers. Now over here you're gonna find different sticker options. Tap on this pen icon. Now tap on this plus icon. With that, your gallery will open up. Now you are able to create sticker using photos. So you can choose any of the picture. All you need to do is open the picture. After you select the picture, tap on the option of add sticker. And here you can see that it has been added as a sticker. Likewise, you are also able to add effect to this sticker. If you want to do so, tap on the option of add effect. And at the bottom, you're gonna find different effect options. You can choose any of these. After you choose, tap on done. Now this picture has been added as a sticker. By applying the same process, you can create sticker from other pictures as well. This is how you can easily create stickers on iPhone iOS 17. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.